Welcome back, Pack. This is your boy Raf, bringing you the second video on this 3-part series. This is going to be a video on skin care. Stay tuned. Again, this video is going to be about skin care. You need good skin care to grow a beard. Your skin has to stay moisturized. It has to stay healthy for the hair follicles and the hair to grow. So what do I mean by skin care? Bro, exactly what's in the name. Skin care. Just like, do you guys wonder why girls use all these different products on their hair, on their face, on their entire body? Why they go through these excruciating things to look good? Because it works. That's why us guys, we need to do something similar. Not the same, but similar. That is proven to work. Like the Derma Roller. In almost all my videos, you will hear me say Derma Roller. It's because it works. It is amazing. It has worked with me. I've been using it for about, I want to say 3 or 4 weeks. And I can already see my cheeks filling up with hair. And it started the hair follicle growth or process of growing hair. Now I just have to get as dense or as the bottom portion of my beard. So step number 1, washing your face, washing your beard. Do not use body wash. Do not use face wash. Do not use alcohol. What you need to use is beard wash. Boom. I'm gonna link it below. This is the beard wash I use. I love it. It smells good. It has emu oil in it, which is proven to heal your skin and help your hair grow. And it gives me good suds. I mean, it just lathers really good. So that's my favorite one. There's plenty of them out there. You can find one that works for you. But for me, Black Rebel beard wash and beard conditioner is what works for me. I love it. So that's step 1. Washing your beard. Wash it, I don't know, 2 or 3 times a week. I wash mine about 3 times to 4 times a week. It all depends on what I put in my beard. If I put something that's an oil that smells, that has a fragrance, I wash it a little frequently because I don't want to mix a whole bunch of fragrances in my beard. So don't wash your beard a lot though. It's going to strip all of those oils that help your beard grow. So I would say max 4 times a week, but stay around the 2 to 3. Number 2, conditioning your beard. So that it literally goes right after step 1. So you guys are like, Raf, that's stupid. That should be on step 1. No, because step 1 is buying beard wash that's going to work for your beard. Step 2 is conditioning. Conditioning is just as important as washing your beard. The conditioner that you use is going to help you bring that stuff you just stripped from your beard back. It's going to leave your beard soft. So some of you got girls, your girl's going to, start playing with your beard like, wow, it's actually soft. It doesn't bother me when you kiss me. I know that's my problem. So it doesn't bother her when I condition my beard and it's soft. She actually likes it. So it's not too bad. Conditioner, there's a ton of conditioners you can use. You can buy a kit with your beard wash. You get your beard wash and your beard conditioner. I use a different type of conditioner, which I will put below. I love this conditioner. It comes in a little plastic container, or it comes in the now it comes in like a tube that you squeeze out, I guess, and just put it in your beard. It's still the same product. I don't know why they went from the tube or from the container to the tube. Either way, I'm not marketing. I don't know. Moving on. Step 3. Once you get those done, dry your beard out, pat dry it out, leave it a little damp. Put in beard oil or beard butter. I like to use beard butter. I literally just got out of the shower to make this video. I wash my beard, put beard butter in, and it gives you that nice glossy finish, and it helps your beard stay down instead of giving you all those flyaways. That's step 3. Step 4, if you have a derma roller and if you struggle through a patchy beard, and I'm taking it that is why you're here and you've watched this video so far, derma roller. Hit that face up, hit them cheeks up, hit that, underneath your chin, hit the chin with the derma roller. Bro, I'm telling you, it's going to work. Hit it up. I'm going to link for what I use and how I use it. So if you're getting anything out of this, hit the like, subscribe, comment, hit a little bell to get a notification when I drop a new video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 3. And I have a surprise for you guys. Stay tuned. Thanks.